Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds Energy System Style 4 to the application. In the previous video we install and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this you can check video at this channel. And now let's move to adding these earbuds to the app. Firstly, we need to pair them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. So if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth like on iOS. After that, we should enter to pairing mode, and we have two options how to enter pairing mode. The first one, if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices. You need to only open the charging case and your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. And you will see them at the device list. Right here we have them. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. To enter pairing mode manually, you need to press and hold both of touch areas. Touch areas located at the back side of each earbud right here, and right here we have it. So you just press and hold until you will see that the LED lights start blinking white, and you will enter to pairing mode manually. And you will see them also at the device list. Now tap at your earbuds, and we just connect them. So now you can hide the settings, open eSmart Connect application, click at device. Now we should wait a bit, and right here it found our earbuds. Click add, and then click done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!